What? I'm on my motherfucking way right now. Come on in, nigga.
The Last Don remix.
Make 'em say, na 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 na. Make 'em say, I told you I'm the colonel of this motherfucking tank. Don't make me get rowdy and start pulling rank. I'm tired with diamonds and true that. And make 'em say, and how you do that? The third wall hustle on these streets chasing riches. Penitentiary chances, cause it's a risky business. A no-limit soldier, commander-in-chief, and Michael Jackson can rock a motherfucking party like me. An army full of real niggas, players and hustlers, qualified killers, certified handbusters. Got love for the north, south, east to the west. Soldiers show your rags, killers hide your best. Flashing red lights, running from the rollers. If life was a movie cut, pass me the doja.
Trying to do something. True smokers don't gotta blow. We done already blew something. I still want the green cornbread and the cabbage. No limit savage. Well known as the baddest. When I was busting out expeditions, you wasn't ready. Bringing lights off like Teddy. Begging out the 470. Lyrically, I'm machete. I dig a threatened their red beat. The excited private. Don't let me mercenary. I heard some monkey were rag. And just for the loot. Can't get a tank dog loot. Beats on me to shoot. I represent the boot. And the world live right it. Making you say, with the colonel, Mr. Body.
Say, na 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 na. Make 'em say, na 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 na.
We gon' make you say, I'ma make you say, but this time I'ma get you out by saying nah 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 nah. I'm a cash getter, no limit, ass kicker. I'm a bad nigga, fast nigga, act the last nigga. Keep my mind on my money because I like riches. House full of tight bitches, you call me, I might hit you. Now make them say nah nah nah. Tryna act hardcore, set up on the float, nah 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 nah. Now since it's ball loose, step in the booth and drop the verse. I'm trying to find still, but it's hard not to hurt. Now I'm a no limit soldier, so give my strength to my duty. I can make them scream, like the movies.
Make 'em say, na 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 na. Make 'em say, na 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 na.
You know we showed you once before a tank couldn't be stopped. Player haters yapping loud and they get dropped in they spot off the top. Think not, they run up on this cock. 9 mil mama Mia's asshole, eat a head still wouldn't wanna be a see you at the top of Billboard. Yeah, we looking down, waving at you motherfuckers. How you like us now? Call this country way back. Laugh that, got it, now. Everybody shouts it wants to be riding. TRU is what we claim, represent that dirty south. 4-star major general, mama verbal piranha down the ride with no limit soldiers. Yeah, we second with the colonel, Master P, he be the ghetto jag class with paper chases, what they labeled us. Better know if that ass tries to play with us. Gotta go to show we know what we do is never gonna die. Worldwide in your hood, he gon' make them say,
na 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 na. Make 'em say, na 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 na.
Man, I'm smoking on some chop from SGB. No limit family with the DPG. Last Don, big dog, what's up, what's happening? Nigga run up, we gon' tear the club up. Top rank, best dank, most bank in this game. Who could it be? Y'all know my motherfucking name. I ain't never met a gangster who ain't love to bang. Especially when the tank represents his game. See, when a no limit soldier walks in the house, nigga get him up, we gon' turn this bitch out.